inside the arena in San Juan for the final game day of the first round of eliminations ng volleyball tournament natin. Si Pineda of Adamson enjoying the games pagkatapos silang manalo sa UE kanina lang.
You know, we always mention it's nice to see these girls when they're in civilian clothes because they look so different. And obviously, they're here to watch, also to scout UST and FEU, and to enjoy volleyball here in the arena.
Much more relaxed atmosphere pag nakita mo sila, no? Ibang-iba sa aggressiveness and that game face they have on the floor. 8-7, UST on top by 1. What a quick, beautiful set. Giselle C. Eulalio connecting that time.
Well, that started again with good reception, which if FEU can continue to do that, they can actually give UST a run for their money.
And nandiyan naman si Palma in the middle, another big lady for Giselle C. to utilize offensively. Eulalio serving. Lantin sets it up. Ooh, Lastimosa is way short.
Well, you know, you can sense UST very slow here in the first set. Very tentative type of play, which actually is what we mentioned in the pre-game coverage when we said they're pretty much like a diesel engine. They'll play well in the set, and then they'll start slow in the set. So, you know, if you're UST, you really want to correct that.
And also one of the things a lot of people notice about UST is the fact that sumasabay sila sa level of play ng kalaban nila. They're not the kind of team like Ateneo or LaSalle where they dictate the tempo, they play their game, and papapipilitin lang lumaban yung opponent the same way.
That's right. And if you're, you know, playing volleyball, you want to be the one to dictate the pace of the game because sometimes you try to play your opponent's game. Sometimes it's not your comfort level, and if you can't step out of that and then you just fall into that, it's not really a trap, that pattern, you're in big trouble.
Well, save for that error by Eulalio. Ganda na sana yung lamang ng FEU. That was their biggest lead in this game, a 2-point lead. Pero 9 serving 10 now with Tunay at the back row.
Oh, that's a good get. I think that was really going in.
Lantin off to the other side. Lastimosa tries again. Good save by Tunay. Lastimosa. These two girls are getting plenty of touches from Lantin and the offense. That didn't cross the net. That's 4 touches para sa FEU.
And that was Basas. Actually, before that error, she has been playing well for FEU. So we were actually expecting that to go in. But a lucky break for UST nonetheless.
Basas has a pretty strong arm, and kung napanood niyo yung Adamson game ng FEU, that she poured her heart out that time. Pero unfortunately, hindi nga lang didn't go their way. Dump by Lantin.
Well, there's a big hole there in that FEU defense, so Lantin just took advantage of that.
This has been one of the problems to rin ng FEU, yung kanilang floor defense throughout this season.
But actually, in that slow-mo, you can see it was so clear that Basas and the people in front could have blocked that, could have stopped that, but they let it go, and a point for UST.
Just be tighter defensively. That's going to spell wonders para sa laro ng FEU, no?
Yeah, and like we saw earlier the statistics of that UST Adamson match, they won because of defense. The blocking.
UST on top now by 2, 12-10. Here comes Lastimosa again from the open.
That's a quick 4 points for UST.
Yeah. Smart play by Basas. It was, well, she had no other choice but to tip it over with the left hand because medyo malakas yung set ni C. Take a look here.
No, but if you're UST, you're supposed to anticipate that because there's nothing else she can do with it. You know that she's gonna tip it over, so...
Wala na sa timing, you know? 11 serving 12. Ooh, poor reception by Tunay. Free ball for FEU. Vargas. Ooh, they're in trouble. That was a perfect set.
Well, if FEU can go more to Vargas, that'll be a good sign for Coach Kidd.
Sabi mo nga yan kanina, they should utilize Vargas more, no? Because obviously she has plenty of power.
I think she's the most powerful spiker in this FEU squad. So, you know, it's a shame if they can't utilize her.
That's true. Service error again. Medyo marami-rami na to para sa FEU, no? Ngayong set number 1.
Giving 3 points to UST. But Coach Kidd not reacting, so far so good. I
You
guess.
were once a player of Coach Kidd. Ano ba? Nung 3 years ago? No,
Oh
but
my
how is he as I mean, does he let that, stuff like that go? Yung mga service errors?
No, of course
Stricto.
not. Of course he was a stick coach. Everybody who was under him knows that. And it's funny because I was telling you that as a secret. No, but I was talking to him earlier and then I said, Coach, you're still coaching. But that's how much they love the
Yeah.
sport of volleyball.
And this goes to show you yung longevity ni Coach Kidd. And he's been there for and he knows a lot. And that's why, FEU made the decision that they made and replaced Coach Pamilar with Coach Santos.
Well, yeah, that's right. And I'm sure if Coach August were well, he would still be coaching as well.
For sure.
They live, they breathe volleyball. So hats off also to these generals. Oh, even Coach Dulce.
That's right. Oo. Well, we see her a lot and when there are Adamson games here anyway. It's Coach Dulce Pante.
Naman the mom,
Yeah,
the mom in her.
factor, ano?
Yeah.
Good battle here so far. UST on top by 1, 14-13 set number 1. Here comes Vargas off the block.
Really unfazed by whoever's in front of her. We're talking about Ortiz was there, but she really just went for it and gets the point for FU.
So 14 all. Palma gets ready to serve.
Yeah, UST not receiving very well because obviously we haven't seen plays from UST, which is their brand of play. They always go to Ortiz, but see, they have yet to implement a good play.
True. Ortiz wanted to hit that, pero ang layo ng reception, nahirapan silang team. They had to go to the open and block si Caballejo, as you can see. And now, balik ang kalamangan sa FEU 15-14.
Another good sign for FEU. Eulalio again in front.
That's right. Ooh, but ito nga, Norina, no? Nakailan ng libre ang USC dito.
You're right. If FEU can put their services in, this would be a different ballgame
That's true.
altogether.
Let's just say they gave away 3 points. Dapat 18-15 na sana to.
Yeah. They're keeping UST in the game.
Cabanos checks in for Lantin. Eulalio. Nice save. One-handed by Cabanos. Vargas. Blocked. Agno with the save. Off to the other side. Rojas is blocked. Good defense by USD. Vargas tips it over. Blocked again.
Good rally we're having.
Cabanos back set. Tunay. And that's check ball point USD.
But that was a good rally. Sign of what this match will be.
Exactly. 1 point lead only for the Tigresses against the Tamaraos or Lady Tamaraos here in set number 1.